Welcome to AFSVision, the next generation platform for commercial lending. AFS is a single system that is fully integrated digital solution that will modernize how you manage your entire commercial lending portfolio. Whether it is a commercial real estate loan, a C&I loan, a small business loan, a big syndicated deal, or a SBA loan that reports to the government. This platform is the complete life of the loan solution for commercial lending. Last month, we showed you some of our dashboard functionality. This month, we're going to focus on automated business events, or ABE for short. ABE's functionality allows the system to monitor upcoming activity or billing and processing errors. The system will create work packages or a unit of work to help facilitate tasks and/or actions in an automated fashion. ABE can be used to automate syndicated payments and our repricing work packages, but I'm going to focus on billing and processing issues for bilateral loans. I'm currently in my job list view, which shows me all my assigned work packages. How can I tell which work packages were created by ABE? If I go to the source column, you will see ABE identified as the source, the task ID, the event, the parent task, and the parent event. In this example, you will see that parent task ID 676 created task 704, while 811 created 6 work packages, meaning there were 6 loans when this job was run that all had the same billing issue. Let's take a look at a work package and go to the maintenance request information. If we look at the comments section, you will see that this loan has no billing schedule for maturity. This is the exact same information that you would get in a billing errors report. And instead of working a report, I can now track this in the system and report on the errors, times complete, who did the work, and so on. Since this is a billing error that the system created, I changed the submitter to internal. Depending on who can request maintenance requests, this could be an external customer, call center, relationship manager, or someone who works within the operational departments. The value in this detail is to track what type of maintenance requests are being created or coming into the shop, possibly giving insight into training opportunities. Another option is, since this is a billing issue for maturity, I'm the person that's actually going to assign this work package to the person who actually booked the loan to address the error. The maintenance and request type are part of the configuration. Now that we have the work package, we need to investigate the issue. You can see at the top, we have the customer name, the obligor, the obligation. And since this is the bilateral loan, I went into account servicing and created the maturity bill. I can add attachments here, say my backup on how I created the maturity bill, or any other type of attachments that you need. I can also add comments here saying that today I created the maturity bill. So somebody who's looking at this behind me will know exactly what I did. Once I've had the task completed, I can then route the work package to the execution stage. If I have the access rights, I can send it to myself, or I can route it to another team member for dual control. This really depends upon your process and procedures. You've been using loan systems for the last 30 years. Let us show you a system for the next 30 years. Thank you for your time and have a great day.